Oh, somebody's snuggly.
What you doing? What are you doing? You want to get up?
She keeps turning her. Gwendolyn. Today's September 15th, and Gwendolyn is 25 weeks old, and she has some news. She slept through the night last night.
That's true?
From 10 until 5:50. Mommy woke up and couldn't even believe it.
Say, yay! Yay! I slept through the night! I slept through the night!
Are you dancing, girl? Oh, you look really snuggly.
I'm very snuggly. I've got a little snuggly bear on my shirt.
If your name is Gwendolyn, pop right up. If your name is Gwendolyn, pop right up. If your name is Gwendolyn, pop right up. Everybody pop right up.
Is that fun? Is that fun?
Oh, we love you. No, don't let him get you. Don't let him get you.
Hi.
Die, silly.
I'll kiss you.
Only slept an hour and a half of daycare today.
No, 2 hours and a half.
That's right. I'd be tired too. Gwendolyn.
It's a little bit crusty.
Gwendolyn.
What you doing
Don't
there?
hit.
You gonna get my shirt? Huh?
Okay. Anybody have anything else to say?
Nope.
Gwendolyn!
That's it.
Gwendolyn! Gwendolyn! Oh, you're sweet. Okay. We'll talk to you later, everybody.
Bye.